the same talaga si Mami Pinky sa akin kasi yung style ng wrapping. Let's just set it aside and remove this part. The wrapping style also is the same like me, huh? Thank you. The wrapping style is very light. If you for this one, inside the ziplock, what is this? And be careful, baka may nalog dyan. Oh, it is another bag, and nice, huh? Kasi you can, this is not removable because it's canvas bag, and you can just only adjust the strap according to your height and your length. You can use this, wear this shoulder way, or you adjust this one for longer crossbody. So what's inside? There's an item inside. Okay, when you open the bag, you have this compartment. Okay. And let us see. Is there any hanging compartment? Yes, there is a hanging open compartment here. Okay. It is padded, guys. Okay, and the stitches are good. Even the zipper is also okay. Easy to glide on. Nice. It's washable. It's padded, so your items when you put here it's safe. It's not going to be nice. Thank you, Mommy, for this. And there is another one here. It's inside the box. Okay. The back box, sides. Okay, it has tape here. Yan. What is inside? What's this? Another accessories. Oh, huh? Okay. How do you open this one? Do you need to open this one? Let's explore. Nice, huh? Nice. The item is nice. Okay, the accessories. I think you just open it this way. How do you open this one? You need to turn. Hindi marunong mag-open. What is this? Oh yeah, okay. So, when you wear this one, it's nice. Thank you again for this one, Mommy. Another accessories for me. There. Okay. So it's chunky, it's nice, and the item actually is heavy, but it's nice. The accessory is nice. Very, very nice. Thank you again for this gift, birthday and Christmas gift, and I really appreciate this, all of this, from my friends, family, and of course, happy holidays to all of you. May our Heavenly Father